This is a rural area in western Germany. Local villagers are harvesting cabbage. This mechanized harvesting method is being used. The scene is quite spectacular. Let's see how it is specifically operated. In front, you can see a John Deere 6430 tractor. It is pulling a cabbage harvester made by Grimm in Germany. The 6430 tractor has a power of 120 horsepower. Although it is not considered powerful, it is more than sufficient for harvesting vegetables. The harvester being towed behind is a single-row automatic harvester. There is a specially designed cutting device at the front of the harvester. The two rotating spiral drill bits at the bottom will penetrate the bottom of the cabbage during harvesting. At the same time, the blades at the bottom will cut the roots of the cabbage. The grid-like conveyor belt above will transport the cabbage to the back. As it passes through the leaf stripping device, the outer leaves of the cabbage will be removed. Then it is sent to the platform. Excess leaves are separated again using rolling friction. Through two such processes, the cabbage has become very clean. Finally, it can be loaded directly using the lift conveyor. The entire process is completed in one go. It is understood that using this mechanized harvesting, 15 tons of cabbage can be harvested in 1 hour. 50 acres can be harvested in a day. So, do you think this harvesting method is promising?
Recognizing one's shortcomings and striving forward, looking to the distant mountains and taking action. Can you believe this sci-fi machine was created for agriculture? This is a brand new concept of modular agricultural machinery designed and developed by Germany's NEXAT. NEXAT is a true innovation in agricultural machinery, powered by two independently controlled 550 horsepower lever engines. The total power reaches an astonishing 1,100 horsepower. The width of the grain cutting platform reaches an impressive 15.5 meters. Additionally, auxiliary wheels are installed in the center of the cutting platform. This allows the entire system to operate more stably. The cab is located on one side of the entire machine. It can swing freely within a 180 degrees range. With a perfectly integrated central control system, the driver can fully grasp the operational status of the entire machine. The mobility system can choose between tires or tracks based on needs. This is because the overall design adopts a linear format. This greatly reduces material costs and overall weight. Coupled with 600 mm wide rubber tracks, it can significantly reduce the compaction damage to the land caused by the entire machine. Additionally, the lightweight design greatly reduces fuel consumption. A 6-meter-long threshing drum is arranged transversely inside the machine. The two sieves on either side of the drum provide twice the grain cleaning space compared to traditional large harvesting machines. The crushed straw is ejected from two rear outlets, allowing it to be evenly distributed across the entire working area. The NEXAT's grain tank has an impressive design capacity of 36 cubic meters. This is about twice that of traditional large harvesters. The grain unloading mechanism achieves a discharge rate of 600 liters per second. The giant grain tank and high-efficiency unloading mechanism allow the NEXAT to minimize unnecessary pauses during operation. This enables it to harvest at a speed twice that of traditional harvesting machines. The mature NEXAT system can adapt to working widths from 6 meters to 24 meters. It can also match different working modules to complete tasks such as sowing, tilling, plant protection, and harvesting. For plant protection tasks like spraying pesticides, NEXAT's single working width can reach an astonishing 70 meters. Additionally, because NEXAT's 4 drive wheels can steer freely, it can operate across different areas when needed. NEXAT can move longitudinally on the road by itself, making it very flexible. This concept of changing different functional modules allows the machinery to perform sowing, plant protection, and harvesting functions for various crops. The idea of integrating these into a single agricultural machine is undoubtedly a milestone in the agricultural machinery industry. Follow me. Let's explore more about the power of agricultural technology together. See you next time.
Do you believe that the price of a combine harvester is more expensive than a Lamborghini supercar? Have you seen a corn silage machine priced over $600? This is a big X1100 silage machine produced by the German company Krone. It incorporates various high technologies. It exudes an irresistible charm. The big X1100 is equipped with a main-supplied V8 diesel engine. With a displacement of 24.24 liters, it can achieve a maximum output of 1078 horsepower. Combined with Krone's power management system, it allows for operator control. The machine can freely switch from economical output power to maximum operational output power. This makes the engine more adaptable to changes in working methods and loads. Thus, it reduces fuel consumption and protects the environment. The engine is mounted above the rear axle. This arrangement also better achieves an even distribution of the machine's weight. It operates more stably and smoothly. The harvester's walking system, feeding system, and cutting platform all use hydraulic power. The 4-wheel hydraulic motor can provide greater output torque. The independent hydraulic motors for the rear wheels and the independent suspension enhance the machine's flexibility. It reduces the turning radius. The new disc-type roller provides a larger kneading area. It can achieve better rolling results. The front-mounted Easy Collect high bar crop header. It features vertical clamping of the stems for continuous movement. This design is sturdy and reduces weight. It reduces maintenance and increases service life. It can steadily feed straw into the feeding device in a forward direction. There are distance control sensors on both sides of the header. The position and movement direction of the header can be adjusted. Look, it ensures consistent cutting height. The 5-meter wide header can achieve a harvesting rate of 120 kilograms per second. This means it can harvest 430 tons of forage per hour. Such a harvesting speed. This harvesting speed is very appealing for both silage corn and energy corn. Currently, agriculture is one of the fastest growing industries globally. The demand for high-efficiency agricultural machinery is also increasing. It is imperative to equip agriculture and animal husbandry with advanced engineering technology and high-quality machinery. What are your thoughts on this? Follow me, and let's explore global agricultural machinery together to experience the power of agriculture. This is a farm located in Western Germany. The plowing work is being done by the Claas Syrian 5000 and the French Besson 12-furrow semi-mounted plow. Observant friends may have noticed that this tractor is a bit different. Yes, the front and rear wheels of the tractor are actually the same size. In fact, this is the application of the Claas track concept. The tractor uses for equally sized tires to strive for optimal soil protection capability. To increase the tractor's traction and maximize operational efficiency, the Syrian 5000 wheel tractor has a total length of 7.5 meters, a height of 3.8 meters, and a total weight of 17 tons. It uses a Perkins 6-cylinder diesel engine with a displacement of 12.5 liters and a maximum output of 524 horsepower. The special linear design ensures that the engine's power can be directly transmitted to the power output shaft, maximizing transmission efficiency. The use of the Chromatic continuously variable transmission allows the tractor to achieve maximum performance and minimum fuel consumption at low engine speeds. The large size and powerful performance make it an ideal choice for high-intensity work. This plowing operation is being pulled by the large semi-mounted reversible plow from Francis Besson. The plow body uses an 84 structure and is equipped with a total of 24 plowshares. The plowing width can reach up to 6 meters at a time. Besson has developed this semi-mounted reversible plow based on years of experience and technological accumulation. It has stable performance and high structural strength, suitable for various high-intensity working conditions. It can stop flipping or change direction at any angle and at any time. It operates very flexibly. The use of this large agricultural machinery greatly enhances the efficiency of field operations. A combination like this can plow over 100 acres in just 1 hour. It is very suitable for use on large farms. As old Lou, who only has a few acres of thin land, we can only watch and feel envious. After all, prices that easily reach tens or hundreds of thousands are not affordable for everyone. This is a large farm in Iowa, USA. It cultivates 2,000 acres of corn. The Claas Lection 8600 combined harvester. It is rapidly harvesting on the farm. The scene is very spectacular. The Lection 8600 is a large grain harvester produced by Claas in Germany. It is a large grain harvesting machine. It has a weight of 22.4 tons. In terms of power, it is equipped with a 12.4-liter 6-cylinder diesel engine. The maximum power can reach 542 horsepower, making it very powerful. The tires feature a semi-track design. It combines front rubber tracks with rear tires. This effectively increases the ground contact area, and it can adapt to various terrains. It is equipped with a 12-row corn header at the front. During harvesting, the machine moves along the direction of the corn rows. The corn is completely threshed and stored in a 12 500-liter grain tank. Meanwhile, the straw along with the corn cobs is crushed and expelled from the back of the machine. Once the grain silo is full, it will be unloaded into the transport vehicle. The unloading speed is 180 liters per second. The entire silo can be unloaded in less than 2 minutes. Although the 8600 is not the top model in the Lection series, it still has some gaps compared to the 8900. However, due to the steep slope of the farm, the 8600's power track all-wheel drive design can automatically adjust for slopes and inclines. Therefore, it is actually more suitable than the 8900. Moreover, its operational efficiency is quite good. It is reported that this machine can harvest 80 tons of corn in 1 hour. It can cover an area of up to 130 acres. So, here comes the question. If you also have such a large farm, would you buy this machine? Industry power. Industry power. Agricultural power. Agricultural power. Agricultural power. industry power. Agricultural, wool, industry power. Industry power, agricultural power. Industry power, agricultural power. Industry force, agricultural power. Yair, agricultural wolf yeti lang, industry power, agricultural power. Inen lang, industry power, agricultural power. Industry professional power. Agricultural Yang P, Yiang, agricultural power. Yang, agricultural Y. Agricultural. Industry power, agricultural power. Agricultural power. Power, agricultural lin. Industry power. Industry power, inside. Agricultural power. Amen, agricultural power. Industry power, agricultural power, agricultural power. Wool, agricultural power. Industry power, agricultural Lydian, Nod Ying, agricultural power. Agricultural wool, Nani. Industry power, agricultural power. Agricultural Wilang. Industry power, agricultural 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 power. Goodness gracious. The farmer leans on his plow, speaking of the forested hills. A seagull occasionally drops outside the flowers. The scene from Song Dynasty poet Zhou Bongyan's verses actually appears on Ukraine's black soil. Truly, it can be said, mountains and rivers of different lands. The wind and moon share the same sky. This is a farm in Ukraine, currently plowing the fields. A large flock of white seagulls is also attracted by the plowing process, following the tractor. They swoop down, competing to peck at the ground. The plowing operation is being carried out by a Fendt 1050 Vario tractor and a Lincoln 8-furrow plow. The Fendt 1050 Vario is currently the largest standard tractor. Fendt 1058A. Equipped with a German MAN engine, 12.4 liters, 6-cylinder diesel engine FENDT. Maximum output power is 517 horsepower. The application of Fendt ID low-speed concept allows all vehicle components and auxiliary consumption devices to work in perfect harmony. Even at low engine speeds, it can achieve maximum torque output MASCH16, coupled with a continuously variable transmission system and the Fendt 1 Smart onboard system. It makes the operator's tasks very simple. This thing has practically turned into a large toy. However, with a price of over $400, it has become a luxury item walking through the fields. The powerful engine and massive size make the Lincoln Diamond 11 8-furrow plow behind it look quite delicate. Even with the tillage width set to maximum, it shows no signs of burdening the tractor. Tilling is so smooth and effortless. 40 acres of deep plowing completed easily in 1 hour. I must say that with the help of these advanced agricultural machines, farming operations abroad have become very easy and efficient. What are your thoughts on this? Follow me, and let's explore machinery around the world and feel the power of agriculture together. Do you know how celery is harvested in the Netherlands? Have you seen a fully mechanized harvesting process that yields 80 acres in 1 hour? This is a small farm located in the province of Brabant, Netherlands. It mainly focuses on the cultivation of various vegetables. The celery harvesting is being done by the MKC-2TR self-propelled container harvester developed by Ploger. This machine is specifically designed for large-scale harvesting of stem crops. It is considered a niche harvesting machine. This machine has a cutting platform with a working width of 6.5 meters. Similar to a weed header, it is equipped with a large reel. It gathers the above-ground stems of the celery inward to the cutting blade position. A flail shaft rotates beneath the cutting platform. It cuts the above-ground parts of the celery. The cut celery is directly fed into the intake by a wide conveyor belt. It is then blown into the container at the back of the machine by a blower. Once the container is full, the hydraulic device above will move down. The celery inside the container will be compacted. Then, the mechanical arm of the harvester will unload the full container onto the ground. To prevent the celery from spilling and getting lost, a tarpaulin will be used to cover it. The entire container will be transported directly to the processing plant by a transfer vehicle. What can be observed is that, besides the covering of the tarpaulin, there is almost no heavy physical labor throughout the entire harvesting process. The mechanization of agricultural work has been fully realized. Manual labor has been replaced by mechanical operations. This not only saves labor costs, but also reduces the intensity of labor. It also significantly increases agricultural labor productivity. It enhances the ability to overcome natural disasters. In terms of agricultural mechanization, we still have a significant gap. What do you think about this? Follow me, and let's explore global agricultural machinery and experience the power of agriculture together. Goodness gracious. In 2021, our country imported a total of 96.53 million tons of soybeans. Among them, 30.39 million tons were imported from the United States. Do you know how they harvest so many soybeans? Welcome to Agricultural Power. In this episode, let's take a look at how the United States harvests soybeans. This is a farm in Indiana, USA. It has planted tens of thousands of hectares of soybeans. The machine harvesting soybeans is a Lexion 8600 combine harvester produced by Germany's Klaas. You can see the dust rising wherever the machine goes. It's quite spectacular. The harvester is equipped with a very smooth-running German MAN D2676 engine. It has a displacement of 12.4 liters and a maximum power of 549 horsepower. The front wheels use a wide track design, increasing its traction by 15%, and it reduces soil compaction by 50%. The front-mounted FD140 header of the harvester has a width of 8 meters. This combination results in very high harvesting efficiency. There was an American farmer named Blake who set a record of 8 hours of harvesting with this model of harvester. 1,171 meters record. 171 record of 117. 171 meters record. 171 meters row. 17 record. 1,171 record. 17 rows of 1171 corn record. This means an average of 184 tons per hour, covering about 250 acres. The harvesting efficiency is truly astonishing. Such high harvesting efficiency relies not only on a stable and powerful engine, fuel but also benefits from a self-contained grain tank with a capacity of 13 cubic meters and a large fuel tank that holds over 1 ton of fuel. Meanwhile, the unloading speed of 180 liters per second allows the machine to quickly unload while in motion. All of these ensure that the harvester can operate continuously for long periods to achieve the highest efficiency in crop harvesting. In fact, there has always been a reputation for first in regions such as Heilongjiang, Liaoning, Inner Mongolia, and Xinjiang in our country. It also sufficiently demonstrates people's recognition of cost quality. I wonder if German Chancellor Scholz's visit to China can further promote cooperation in agricultural machinery. What do you think of German agricultural machinery, dear viewers? Feel free to follow me, and let's explore global machinery together to experience the power of agriculture. Goodness gracious. Do you know how Germans plow their fields? Have you seen a reversible plow with 24 plowshares that is nearly 15 meters long? This is a large farm in southwestern Germany. There are hundreds of hectares of land that need deep plowing. A German Klaas AXION 960 tractor is pulling a machine. The 8+4 RW100 large semi-mounted hydraulic reversible plow developed by Grimm is plowing rapidly. The two-section plow body is equipped with 24 large mirror-polished plowshares. There are 12 on each side, with a spacing of 1 meter between each plowshare. The maximum working depth can reach 55 centimeters. The hydraulic width adjustment cylinder equipped on the plow body can easily complete the adjustment work without stopping the machine. The tractor only needs to reverse the plow body to continue plowing with each turn, ensuring the soil is flipped in the same direction. Such a large plow requires a significant amount of traction power. At least 380 horsepower of traction power is needed to pull it. The powerful performance of the Klaas Axion 960 TT half-track tractor is fully showcased at this moment. The 960 TT tractor is equipped with an 8.7-liter FPT engine. The maximum power reaches 445 horsepower, and the total weight is 11.2 tons. The rear wheels feature a wide track design, increasing its traction by 15%. It also reduces soil compaction by 50%. This combination allows for astonishingly high work efficiency. It can plow 10 hectares per hour. With this level of efficiency, you wouldn't want to use it unless you have thousands of acres of land. One must admire the advancement of German agricultural machinery. We still have a significant gap compared to it. Don't you think so? Follow me, let's appreciate more modern agricultural machinery together and feel the power of agriculture together. See you next time. If we're talking about who gets by best in Germany, it has to be the farmers. Don't be fooled by his shabby clothes, they're all pilled. But his family has over 5,000 acres of sunflowers. Not to mention, just the big machine he's taking out to work today is worth several Porsches. This man's name is Mike. He inherited the land from his father right after graduating high school. He started farming back in his hometown. He has been a farmer for 13 years now. Early this morning, he moved the big machine out of the warehouse. He was getting ready to head out and harvest the thousands of acres of sunflowers at home. Harvesting thousands of acres of sunflowers is no easy task. However, he is driving a combine harvester, made by Klaus, the Model 7700. This is a very popular harvester in Germany. Not only is it powerful, but it is also highly efficient. It can adapt to various terrains. It has a power configuration of up to 520 horsepower, equipped with a 9-meter wide cutting platform. It can harvest 150 acres of sunflowers in an hour. Additionally, it has a built-in threshing and cleaning system. During harvesting, it cuts the entire sunflower plant and pulls it into the machine. Then it automatically separates the seeds from the straw. After the cleaning process, the seeds are stored in a large hopper with a capacity of 12,500 liters at the top. And according to initial settings, the stalks are aligned and processed in a row, and are discharged from the rear along with other debris. The entire harvesting process is seamless. It can harvest about 45 tons per hour. It also directly transforms sunflowers into the seeds we see in daily life. Thousands of acres can be harvested in less than 2 days. Such efficiency. If done manually, it would be hard to know when it would be finished. Wow! Have you ever seen such a spectacular harvesting scene? 10 combined harvesters arranged in a staggered formation sweeping across 76 meters of wheat. How stunning is that? If you like it, please give a thumbs up to the little brother. This is a large farm in the western United States that has planted tens of thousands of acres of wheat. The wheat seen in the footage has turned golden. The farmer needs to get them all into storage within 2 days. The work team mobilized 10 John Deere S670 combine harvesters for the harvesting operation. The John Deere S670 is a medium-sized grain combine harvester produced in 2014. It is equipped with a John Deere 6096-cylinder engine. It uses a VGT variable geometry turbocharger and an EGR exhaust gas recirculation system. It has a displacement of 9 liters and a rated power of 373 horsepower. The grain tank has a capacity of up to 10,600 liters, with an unloading speed of 116 liters per second. 950-liter large capacity fuel tank. It can ensure long hours of continuous operation during busy farming seasons. The machine is equipped with a happy-type hydraulic system. It can provide smooth and quick hydraulic response during harvesting. The RO drive propulsion system offers more precise and comfortable operation to ensure accurate control of the combine harvester's speed. The front cutting platform of the harvester is also the John Deere self-developed 735D grain header. The header width has 2 options, 7.6 meters and 10.5 meters. These 10 harvesters are equipped with 7.6 meter wide wheat headers, allowing them to sweep across 76 meters of wheat field in one go. Completing nearly 10,000 acres of wheat harvesting in a day is no exaggeration. One cannot help but admire the advanced level of mechanization in American agriculture. In the field of agriculture, we still have a significant gap compared to them. Acknowledge our shortcomings and strive forward, looking towards distant mountains and taking action. Follow me, and let's experience the power of agriculture together.